When working with wire and cable, properly stripping the insulation is crucial to maintaining the integrity of the connection. Mechanical wire strippers can inadvertently nick or even sever conductors, but StripAll thermal wire strippers use heat to remove the insulation to expose the bare wire cleanly, readying the wire for crimping or soldering. StripAll quickly removes up to 3.5 inches of insulation from 10 to 36 gauge solid or standard wire. The blades heat up to 1700 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 seconds, then cool instantly to minimize damage to work areas and prevent injuries. To use StripAll, first select the proper blade. 2 types of blades are available, notched and blank. The notched blades perform best on wires 25 gauge and larger. The blank blades are designed for stripping fine wires 26 gauge and smaller. First, install the proper blades. Then, to begin, adjust the strip stop according to the length of the insulation you wish removed. Then, set the wire gauge stops. This ensures that the blade will never touch or nick the conductor. Position the wire between the blades and against the stop. Depress the heat button, and when the blades sever the insulation, rotate a quarter turn as you continue to apply heat. Once the insulation is completely severed around the wire, release the heat. Remove the insulation manually to ensure the blades do not come into contact with the conductor. StripAll can be used to strip insulation from coaxial cables up to 5/8 of an inch in diameter. To strip a coaxial cable, first place the cable in the nose block assembly and rotate to cut around the cable. Then, reposition the cable 90 degrees and cut the insulation lengthwise. The outside insulation is easily peeled away, exposing the shielding. Optional features include a variable temperature control unit, a high voltage configuration, and an ESD model for electrically sensitive discharge environments. Designed for rugged, daily use and production environments, StripAll by Teledyne Impulse helps keep your operations running smoothly and safely with quick and thorough wire insulation removal. Visit us online at thermalwirestrippers.com for more details.